I know that many of you have participated in the orientation discussion. I just want to make sure that you understand that with discussions that are coming up, that you not only post, but you respond to the posts of other students that are in the class. Typically, discussions will be out of 10 marks. The majority of those marks will be for what you post. The remainder of them are for the responses that you post to further the discussion of the other participants in the classroom. So I'm just going to use this as an example as to how to participate in a discussion. I can see that on October 9th, tomorrow, that there is a discussion called Finding Meaning. You can find that discussion in the content. However, you could also click on this box. I'm also going to go through the discussions list and find it here. So when I click on that discussion, it's going to take me to a page that outlines what you're supposed to post. If I want to start my own post, I simply click on Start a New Thread. But there's often questions about how do you respond to a post. I can read the full post of this particular student right in line here. However, if I would like to respond to this particular post, I simply click on it. It will bring it up and I click on Reply to Thread. And it's here that you can post a response. I would highly encourage you to post questions, considerations, have you thought about, and lastly, agree, disagree. And these are some prompts that can help you get started in order to know what to say to them. What I'm not looking for is simply that you say good post or I agree with you. Put a little bit more substance in there to maybe further the discussion.